Hey Grant, what are you working on?
Cleaning up the chicken poop and paper.
Cleaning out the nest boxes, right?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we're gonna make it so that the chickens won't break the eggs. The eggs will just fall down, and they won't break them.
Yep, we have a chicken who has been eating eggs, huh? So we intended to do a rollaway nest box when we built this chicken coop probably about 1.5 years ago, but we just have never gotten it done. Now that we've got an egg eater, we have to do it. So we're gonna install a board that goes across right here that the eggs can roll under, and we'll have to install something to make a slope. Okay, Grant is kind of our chicken master, huh, Grant?
Yeah.
Yep, you take care of them and collect the eggs and all that good stuff. So, what we're gonna do here is Grant is gonna cut this little notch out, and that's where it'll slip over the current divider between the two nest boxes. So that'll slip down in, and then we'll have him cut this one. That's 25¼ inches. That's the distance between the two sides of those two nest boxes. So anyways, that's what we're gonna do. Nice. All right, let's go see if we can install it. Okay, now we've made a little notch in the little divider between the two nest boxes so that this part will sit down into that notch. So we'll get it slid in. Okay, so here's what we've got. We've got the divider in now. That allows the eggs to roll under, but hopefully keeps the chickens away from them. To get the slope that we wanted, we've got that piece of cardboard, but underneath that, we've got just this little thin piece of, I don't know, like 1/4 inch plywood, might not even be that, and a 2x4 down there. And what we did is we slid the 2x4 further that way to make the slope more gradual, or further that way to make the slope more aggressive. And so that's what the cardboard is sitting on right now. So we'll make another piece of cardboard for this side. I wanted to do cardboard just because it's kind of experimental, I guess, at this point for us. I want to make sure that we like it before we do anything more permanent. And honestly, it's kind of nice that we can rip the cardboard out of there if it gets dirty and nasty, and just replace it with new cardboard. So that's what we've got. What do you think, Grant?
It's gonna be great.
All right, do you want to show them how the egg rolls?
Sure.
All right, go ahead.
These are 2 really big eggs.
Yeah, 2 of our biggest eggs.
And it just does that for the chickens.
Cardboard's good too because it kind of makes it bounce off that wood rather than hitting the wood hard.
And then like this.
Sure. Yep, so there's enough of a slope to it that even if it's close to the edge, it still pushes its way down in. Another one I saw online a couple years ago that I actually really like the idea of, and I might do that eventually, is get some of those liners for, what do you call it? Like paint rolling pans. And that's like the perfect slope. So it'll slope down and then it gradually comes up. Kind of perfect for for an egg roller actually, but this is going to work really well, and I didn't have to get a liner, and I don't know, I'm cheap. So maybe someday I'll do one with one of those paint roller liners, but like the paint tray. I hope that makes sense. All right, we'll get this other one done, and then we'll show you the finished product. Okay, so now we've got this shop rag, and we're just kind of perforating and making strips so that the egg will roll through that, but then the chicken won't be able to really see it on the other side. And we'll not try to reach through and peck at it. So that's what we're doing here. Not too far, sorry, just a couple inches. Then we'll install that. So that's how those little perforated edges work, so that it covers the egg up. That one didn't quite fall off, but that's all right. All right, Grant just went out to check for eggs. Let's see how it worked. All right, let's see. Oh, there's a chicken sitting in there, and 2 safe eggs. All right. Is that the one that eats them?
No.
Okay. All right, collect those eggs, I guess. All right. Still warm?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, well, it worked. Nice. Well, there's all our happy chickens living in here with the rabbits. Now hopefully we'll get some more eggs. Let's see, where's the egg eater? Is it this one? Yeah. We think that one's the egg eater. If she keeps it up, she may not live very long. Here. That's right. You're gonna get kicked out of here. Egg eater.
Super kings.
Dad, we're egg eaters.
Well, we're allowed to eat eggs. Chickens shouldn't be eating eggs. There's Mama Rabbit. She's got some cute baby bunnies in there. There they are, all snuggled up.
You weren't expecting us to start you.
And these are the last babies. 3 out of the 6 are sold already. And then 3 are still unclaimed, so they'll go pretty soon, I'm sure.